Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. First of all, you need to open Play Store on both. Then click on the search bars. Type in Send Anywhere and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, click on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Finally, in this window, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by choosing OK. Then do exactly the same on the other device. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. OK. In order to continue, you need to choose Send at the bottom left corner of this Samsung device and click on Receive at the bottom next to Send on Samsung S23 Plus. In this pop-up about your ads, scroll all the way down, click on Yes, I agree or No thanks, and tap on Close this window. Then go back to this Samsung smartphone and tap on all of those dots from all of those categories to select all of those files. When you're ready, tap on Send next to Selected. This way you choose all of those files and then send them. I will go with only a couple so I can click on the chosen ones and tap on Send as well. Nextly, choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and choose the best connection way for you. If you want to scan this QR code, you need to select this scanning icon next to Input key on Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. Then click on While using the app or only this time in the pop-up to allow camera access. And lastly, point your device's camera at the code. If you wish to input this key though, you need to choose this input key section. Type in all of those numbers and connect by hitting Receive button. Now, in the matter of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!